It's a nice, lovely night to be outside. Let's go inside and turn on the TV real quick. Let me save my game because I got that. Turn on the TV. Joing! Welcome back to Los Santos News, reporting to you live from downtown Los Santos. It's currently 8:30 in the morning, I think. I don't know. But anyways, so the following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Santos Emergency Management and the Los Santos Police Department. A Sayori hanging watch has been repeating. A Sayori hanging watch has been issued for the entirety of San Andreas. Repeating. A Sayori hanging watch has been issued for the entirety of San Andreas. All residents living in San Andreas should evacuate, but if you don't, that's okay. A voluntary evacuation order has been put in place for the entirety of San Andreas. Evacuate at your own. Evacuate if need be. Repeating. Evacuate if need be. When evacuating, bring all essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery power or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries, and anything or anyone else you can bring with you. Remember, evacuation is not necessary. Repeating, evacuation is not necessary. But you should evacuate. So do so. You can evacuate. Repeating, you can evacuate. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening. Oh, crap. Okay, the news. Okay, let's grab all the furniture, photos, tables, chairs, food, alcohol, furniture, furnishings, and anything upstairs, because we need to do that. We need to go upstairs. Grab everything in here,
Here's a real
grab
funky
everything
concept.
in here. Oh yeah, I need to grab everything in here too. and we can leave. Alright, let's go load everything up into the car. Alright. Load everything up in the trunk. And all three of the doors, and any other space we have in the vehicle. and then we can prepare for any further. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. Boop! The following message was transmitted at the request of the San Andreas government. At approximately 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Coastal Standard Time. Whatever. A Sayori hanging emergency has been issued for the entirety of San Andreas. Repeating. A Sayori hanging emergency has been issued for the entirety of San Andreas. An immediate evacuation order has been put in place for the entirety of San Andreas. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Radio Los Santos. We will continue providing news and information for Los Santos. If you are not in Los Santos, tune to stations providing news and information for your area. The Everything Canadian government, all its forces, and everything within will be helping with evacuation procedures. Let the SD-10s and and Thunderbolt 1000Ts have sounded. Repeating, the SD-10s and Thunderbolt 1000Ts have sounded. This is a real emergency. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. Prepare for rapidly dropping temperatures, random explosions, nuclear meltdowns, gunfire, and death. Sayori is currently dying. Repeating, Sayori is currently dying. You only have 1 hour and 25 minutes to evacuate. Repeating, you only have 1 hour and 25 minutes to evacuate. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. Failure to evacuate will result in death. Repeating, failure to evacuate will result in death. Evacuate, evacuate. Repeating, evacuate, evacuate. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Go, go, go. Get in the car. Get in the car. I'm gonna go save my game real quick before we do evacuate. This is a dire emergency. Sayori is hanging! Sayori is hanging! Go, 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 go! Sayori is hanging!
Hey, look here, baby. My arms might be short, but I'd love to give you a reach around.
The radio stations are probably relaying any audio they have.
I'm a master. Let's put it down, baby.
We need to go to the airport.
Now you kids have had your
Alright, I need to go tend to my hair. I need to tend to it. This is why I want to evacuate to Vice City. No gangs! No nothing. Just pure and utter calm. Alright.
Hey, I'll have that now.
Can't believe our hood was under attack for a second. Now we gotta go to San Fierro. Let me tag this up. Let's evacuate to Vice City. The airport's down here.
This music is like a train. The same one leaves the station every hour. Hello, Dusthead. What's on your mind? You're so lame. You're trapped in a time warp. Nobody understands what the hell you're saying. Look, shithead, I run through life with a torch in one hand and a sword in the other, and when I play the music the program director tells me to, I don't care whether your hair is green, you love men, or you're missing fingers. Sooner or later, it's the longer time. Who cares about the listeners anyway? There's one thing England can do well, it's sing. It must be rain. Here's Rod Stewart with Young Turks.
The Sayori hanging emergency has been issued, but I'm going to... We're going to Vice City, baby. I'm gonna meet Tommy Versetti. We're going to switch bodies because that's what we can do. Let's head over to the airport. Get our plane going. Let's go. Cars. No one has a car I can steal. Oh yeah, I forgot this was a ghost town. Everyone already evacuated. Let's head over to EAS. LSI? Is it this international?
Remember, Dust fans, nobody rules the streets like us. We're not outdated, and neither is our music. Let's answer the phone.
Hey, that band you were in, how come all the members have gone on to be really famous and you're like not?
Look, there's a lot of people who make a living off my name. The owner of this radio station, the Glory Hole theme park, the president. But when it comes down to it, when the music stops rocking, I'll be there.
There's a taxi? I guess that taxi driver didn't evacuate. Everyone else did, though. The taxi driver's back. I thought this was a ghost town. Why are so many people not evacuating? Sayori's probably cold. Very cold. She's dead. The nuclear power plant here's gonna melt down soon if I don't get out of here. Or max speed, which feels like around 130, 140 miles an hour. We're going. Go. We are at the airport. I need a plane. We're sorry. We're sorry, but this game has left Netflix. Nope, it left Netflix. Ah! Ooh! Ooh, what the heck? Why am I in Roblox? I thought I was gonna be in Vice City. Must have left Netflix. Dang it! Oh, Royal Air Force plane. A run to shit. Well, I guess I'm gonna drown here.